Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your data with PayPal, start by visiting the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option, typically represented by a gear icon. Review and update your password to ensure it is strong and unique. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. To do this, go to the security settings and select the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device or authenticator app. Check and update your recovery options to ensure you can regain access if necessary. Next, review your recent activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you see anything suspicious, report it to PayPal immediately. PayPal also offers transaction notifications. Make sure to enable these alerts. This will help you monitor your account activity in real time. Next, review your linked payment methods. Remove any outdated or unused credit or debit cards. Consider using a dedicated bank account for your PayPal transactions. Additionally, regularly check for any suspicious emails or messages claiming to be from PayPal. Always log in directly through the official website and avoid clicking on links in emails. Be aware of phishing attempts, pretending to be PayPal. Lastly, keep your devices secure by using updated antivirus software. Regularly back up your data to minimize risk in case of account compromise. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your data security with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.